Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project's going to be an art card with an Easter theme. I'm working on some textured ivory cardstock, and to begin with I'm stamping a feather stamp by Visible Image using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and then I also add a second stamp which is my Itty Bitty background from Stampin' Up. Now I'm taking a second piece of the ivory linen effect cardstock and I'm colouring this using Distress ink in the colour Gathered Twigs. Once I've done this, I take some stamps from Time to Stamp, which are two different sized eggs. I stamp these using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black onto some plain white cardstock and then colour them with a Zig watercolour brush. After cutting out my egg images, I'm edging them with some Distress ink in Gathered Twigs, and then I use a glue stick to attach them to the prepared background. For the sentiment on my card, I've chosen a stamp set called Art Sayings, designed by Sam Poole for Creative Expressions, and I stamped this using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. After I've put my card front together, I'm embellishing it further using some feathers which I attach using some double-sided tape, and then I also add some Stickles glitter glue to the side of the eggs. For the insert on my card, I've chosen some lightweight paper stock which I've cut using a Spellbinders die. I dye it using the Gathered Twigs Distress ink before edging it also with the same ink and then adding one of the coloured eggs that I used on the front of the card. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I do appreciate it when you hit the like button and leave me a comment. If you require a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, as well as details of all my social media, including my mixed media challenge group over on Facebook.